Gatagati ga kambuni 288 cia uheani wa ngombo kuhitukira nenda cia kiiriu iria ciandikire marua ma kugata license njeru, kambuni 10 tu nocio gukinyanagiria nda riu irikitie guthurimwo na kuhitukio ni bengi ya Central Bank. Kugerera irua riria rirekereirio ni bengi ino, kambuni ya Tech Limited, Get Cash Capital Limited, Glando Africa Limited, Jijenge Credit Limited, Kweli Smart Solutions Limited, Mwanzo Credit Limited, My Wage Pay Limited, Reward Zero Limited, Sevi Innovation Limited na Sokela Limited nicio kambuni iria icabithitio ukorwo ikinyanirie ikiro gukinyanagiria na riu.
To be honest, there were 288 of these people that came to us. 288. Just imagine the mess that those people are creating. We approved 10. You ask why? What happened to all the others? Partly because the others were playing maneno, right? You ask them questions, they don't answer.
Gukiri uguo, Governor wa bengi ino Dr. Patrick Njoroge niatheretie mihango ya guthurima kambuni icio ingi no irathie na mbere.
They have to play according to the rules. We are not just going to rush them through just because they have a big name or any of these things, yeah? And that is exactly what you wanted. You wanted us to restore sanity.
Nyingi cia kambuni ici ni ikoretwo igiukirirwo ni muingi ni gukira mihaka na kuigirira maundu ma hitho ma ene mathiririria mararandura mbeca ciao anyitite sector-ini ino riu makiuga ikinya riri bengi ya CBK itashukitie ni riguteithia kuramata sector ino
na kuigua out of andu acio the kana kambuni icio ciothe no ikumi irahota guqualify ri iyo irakwira kambuni kana andu aria marageria kuheana mbeca ti andu mena maratathi maria magiririo na makuruta biashara na Central Bank ikite oguo ni ikite undu mwega tondu ni kumanisha andu acio theri okorwo nduri na maratathi makuruta biashara Kenya ri uraheana mbeca witau.
I feel better that with this thing now has started. That train now has begun to do what it should do.
Bengi ya CBK yambikire mutaratara uyu weru mweri-ini wa gatatu mwaka uyu nginya tariki 17 mweri uyu wa kenda thutha wa muingi kuhithuria nyingi cia kambuni ici itikoretwo ikirumirira mawatho maria magathikitwo ma kugereka sector ino.
Mwaka uyu he kindu kiambiriirio kiretwo data protection uria information yaku ndiagiriire kuheanwo o uguo koguo kumenyerera mwananchi wa kawaida ati data yake na information ciake citiraheanwo tondu riria tuhoyanite mbeca nawe ri mundu wa gatatu aragiuka kumenya ati andikitwo hoyanire tondu okorwo maundu ni mandikitwo kana ni twandikanirio uria turahoyanira mbeca ri gutiri mundu wa gatatu agirire kumenya uria twaranirie tu protection ya covenant iria twaririirie horo wigie mbeca.
Ngiribotera Kameme TV ritwa riakwa ni Mubi wa Shege.